Little March, written by Daniel Turk. This march starts in C-do, C-do, do, 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 so, 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 mi, mi, fa, mi, re, do, re, re, so, 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 mi, 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 re, re, mi, re, do, re, do. Make sure you can sing it, because if you can sing it, you can play it. This starting note is treble C. Here's middle C. Here's treble C. So my hand is up here in this 5-finger position. Here we go. The other hand is not in C position. The thumb is on middle C, but I am now being able to play the notes below C. So here's do, here's T, here's La, here's So, here's Fa. So the first note is do, T, do, do, So. So, do. Let's try it in minor. Listen to how it changes. Just that little change. I'm going to go back to major one more time. Little March by Daniel Turk.